Make $500 when you're traveling, while you're on vacation, when you're going on a business trip. It doesn't matter. Anyways, that's what we'll be talking about today, folks. I'm going to show you one simple website. It's going to be a quick video today, but please first subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog that you can check out as well if this method is not for you. Also, please check out my #1 recommendation. It's the top link in the video description below. It's for affiliate marketing. You can make money while you're traveling, sleeping, doing whatever with that. You get a free membership there. Check that out as well. But let's get right into this. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video today because there's not much to say about it. It's something really cool you check out. So this website is called Airmule, and basically you fly, they pay. You fly and you take packages with you. Now don't worry, they're safe packages. It's the airport, so they're not gonna be like, you're not gonna be delivering illegal stuff and everything. In fact, you could actually look at the packages if you want to as well. So basically you just sign up for free, create an account, and then let's just go here how it works. You tell them your travel, where you're going from and to. They give you a box to take with you, and they pay you. Complete the delivery and you get paid. Now there's a frequent asked questions here. You're definitely gonna want to check out. Where is this available, customs, all that kind of stuff. I'm not gonna go all that here. You can check this out at the website. There's a link in the video description below. Now right now, at the time of making this video, there's kind of limited routes. USA to China, USA to India, Thailand, Korea, USA to London, USA to France, $300 to Dubai. So if you're doing a trip, you can make $600 actually come a round trip and stuff like that. So again, a really cool site, something worth checking out if you travel a lot. If you don't travel a lot, then check it out anyways because you can still do it. So like I said, a very short video today, very quick and easy. Check it out. There's a blog post thing here. They have a blog thing here as well where you have like this guy traveled for $178 for his trip because they paid the rest of the trip by just taking packages and stuff like that. So pretty cool. But like I said, also check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. This is more for a full-time income, not passive income, but full-time as well. It's a large community of people there to help you out. You get a free membership. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. Just go right there in the top link in the video description below. Check it out. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.